Welcome to Bennett GM in Cambridge, your trusted vehicle destination. Discover the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss in striking white sands. With only 524 miles and a robust 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel i6 engine. This Trail Boss shines with black assist steps, molded splash guards, and a bold black tailgate lettering package. Ride on durable all-terrain tires with aluminum wheels. Inside, enjoy cloth seats with pass-through rear seating and all-weather floor liners. The dashboard features a 10-speed automatic transmission with tow mode, keyless start and entry, lane keeping assist, and a tire pressure monitor for safety and control. Ready to drive your dream car? Visit us at 445 Hespeler Road or call 519-621-1250 today.